how to use swipe down or swipe up gesture on your Samsung S23 Ultra or S24 Ultra to easily access any app. To use this gesture, you need to download the third-party apps, one-hand operation. So open the Play Store and search for the one-handed operation on your device. You need to install one-hand operation this application on your device to quickly access any app or function. When complete the download, tap on open. Now toggle on it. Now here you can see left handle or right handle. You can use your option. Here we toggle on right handle. We use the right handle option. Now here you can see diagonal up or down. Tap on a down. Here you can select the function you want to quickly access. To swipe down on your device, here we select start application. Now select the application you want to access. Here we select calculator. Now swipe down on your device like this to quickly open any application. So quite easily. You can also change other function. Diagonal up. Here you can choose option like open quick panel. When you swipe up on your device like this, right handle swipe action. Now tap on a diagonal up. Here you can choose the option. Here we select the open quick panel. Now swipe up to quickly open the app panel. So quite easy to use swipe up button. To use swipe down, again go to settings, go back. You can also set a left handle from left side, open recent key. Now left swipe up and you can open the recent application. So quite easy to use swipe up or down gesture to access the app on S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.